it out to Fat Albert and the crew, all right? All aboard. Uptown, going uptown, all around town. All aboard, New York, LA, NC.
All to the morning,
One,
to the break of dawn, 2, 3, 7,
3,
till the
4.
lights come on. Double, funk, express. Double, funk, express.
Double, funk, express. Double, funk, express.
Expressway.
Double, funk, express.
Double, funk,
Express. All aboard. Uptown, going uptown, all around town. My mic sounds nice, right? All right. 1, 2. All aboard. Going uptown. Duke Street. Ho-ho. DC. LA. Florida. The Bahamas. Oh. Well, all right, y'all. Right now, we gonna do our own variation of Big Bad Bob. Bob? Oh, I'm talking about Bob. We gonna do this variation for Bob, y'all. All right? It's a go-go place. You dig what I mean? Our own variation. Welcome with it, guys.
amateurs. Go ahead, Archie Knuckles. My man, Mr. Archie Knuckles, y'all. Oh, yeah. one more time, one more time. One more time, one more time. One more time, one more time. Low girl, low girl,
Boss divas, my money making divas, all my ladies, throw your hands in the air. I got Patron in my cup, and I don't give a what, the baddest diva in the club right here.
Oh, yeah.
I said this is boss divas, my money making divas, all my divas, throw your hands in the air. I got Patron in my cup, and I don't give a what, the baddest diva in the club right here.
Oh yeah.
You wanna see me shake it, shake it, shake it, wanna pop it, drop that ass on the floor. Yeah, boy, I like it, like it, like it. Yeah, you like it, like it, like it. When the drop it real low. Yeah, boy, you like that. Oh, yeah, that you like that. Oh, yeah, boy, you like it when my booty goes down.
low girl, low girl, low girl.
Drop it low, honey.
Low girl, low girl.
Is that right? LT.
Low, low,
Could come and drop it low, honey. Hey.
Take that thing to the rig. Say less is small.
Where's the artwork crew done? Out of sight, Mike and the rest of that crew now. So what? They came to boogie. They came to boogie down. They came to boogie. They came to boogie down. They came to boogie. They came to boogie down. They came to boogie. They came to boogie down. It's lovely, y'all. It's lovely now. It's lovely, y'all. It's lovely now. Everything is lovely, y'all. Say why?
It's lonely now.
It's lovely, y'all. It's lovely. Y'all really make me lovely one time? Ready to make it lovely one time? You ready to make it lovely one time, huh?
So young, y'all.
Say what, y'all? You ready to make it lovely one time?
man. I know you're looking real good. People, what you doing? Because you're looking so good. You got the people, what you doing? Oh, you look so. Now listen here. We gonna start this thing off right. Sci-fi's in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. We got T in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. We got Dave in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. Larry's in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. LT's in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. T-Bone's in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. We got Dean in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. Hey, Allie, put it in the body. Everybody just come in the door and get your ass up on the floor and groove down. Oh, let's groove down. Oh, pump it back on this if you can already see. But don't you get up on the cover down to get on the beat. And then feel the flow is what you wanna do. I say, come on, here, let the woman die you.
It's about that time, y'all. It's about that time now. It's about that time, y'all. It's about that time. Now what y'all wanna do now? I say, what you wanna do now? Oh, what you wanna do, y'all? I say, what you wanna do now? You wanna drop the what? You wanna drop the who? You wanna drop the what? Well then what you wanna do? We just stand louder. Just a little bit louder. A little bit louder. Just a little bit louder. Can we drop the bar? Can we drop the bar? You wanna drop the bar? Well let's drop the bar. Drop the bar.
talking about.
Let's go. Let's go.
All right, y'all. Woo! Ha ha. Something to talk about. Good God. I want to feel the foot, y'all. I got to feel the foot now.
Say what?
I say what? You got to feel the beat, y'all.
Oh, feel the beat now.
Got to feel that beat, baby.
Oh,
Do it now.
you say what?
You got to feel the beat, y'all.
Oh, feel the beat now.
Say what now? You got to feel that beat. How much that? Want to feel that beat. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about, y'all. I'll say what now? Do it, baby. Oh, make a for it, baby. Now, let me want to see what they're doing. Shine the spotlight on them out there now. We want to see what they're doing. Are y'all still partying out there? Woo! Now, how many of y'all came to party tonight, huh? How many of y'all came to party? They came to party over here and over there. How many of y'all came to party over here? Everybody that came to party in the house tonight, stay fired up. Stay fired up, y'all. Stay fired up. Oh, fired up, y'all. That's what we're talking about, baby. Keep it in the groove now. We got to keep it in the funky groove, y'all. So we can make that body move. Let's rock. Don't stop. You got the pump and then give it just all you got, y'all. Special dedication going out to that Palmer Park crew, y'all. Because they sure no throwing down tonight, y'all. I swear, that Palmer Park crew, they throw down all the time. Every time we come down here, that Palmer Park crew is doing the do. Say what? I don't get it now. Now, who's gonna turn it out tonight? Is Palmer Park gonna turn it out tonight, y'all? Is Palmer Park gonna turn it out tonight? Or is Columbia Park gonna turn it out tonight? Or is y'all gonna let the Southeast crew come in here and turn it out tonight? Palmer Park gonna turn it out tonight, right? Is Palmer Park gonna turn out tonight? Well, let me hear you say hell yeah. Say hell yeah. Hell yeah. Say hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, that's what we're talking about, y'all. I think that's what we're talking about now. Now, that's what we're talking about, y'all. Oh, that's what we're talking about now. You would have been about that's what we're talking about, y'all. Oh, that's what we're talking about now. I think that's what we're talking about, y'all. Oh, that's what we're talking about. And look here, the bigger the headache, the smaller the pill. Palmer Pop is the real deal. Say what, y'all? Get it? What y'all say? And now the bigger the headache, the smaller the pill. Palmer Pop is the real deal. Say what, baby? Is Palmer Pop the real deal? Now look here, the bigger the headache, the smaller the pill. Palmer Pop is the real deal. Say what now? Alright. Now let's break it down one time. I tell you, the bigger the headache, the smaller the pill. Palmer Pop is the real deal.
Best radio station on the internet.
Let's get this party started right. Woo-wee. Hey. Where my party people at, baby? Where's my old school? Yeah, there we go. Hey, all my party people report to the dance floor. Hey, what's up, big brother? All right now. Hey, all my party people report to the dance floor. Hey, what's up, Kim? All right now. Got special dedication going out to Miss Tanya got a birthday. Hey, happy birthday. I say happy birthday. We gonna do it one time for Miss Rita in the house, y'all. I know somewhere. Is Rita over there? Yes, indeed. Special dedication going out to all the people in the back. Oh, yeah. Good God. And we can't forget about the people on the side over here. Getting their groove on. Yes, indeed. LT, open up the door one time. Make it, yeah. Woo-wee. We just gonna get it warmed up a little bit, baby. We gonna warm this thing up a little bit. Hey, do it for my old school baby. Yes, indeed. That's what we're talking about, y'all. What's up, Dion? How you doing, baby? I see y'all there grooving in your seat now. We gonna do this for my old school. Hey, hey. Now listen, y'all ready to go back? You wanna go back, y'all? Can we take them on back? Or can we take them on back now? Can we take them on back? We gonna take them on back, y'all. You wanna take them on back? Oh, do it like this. Now listen here. We gonna start this thing off right. We got Keith in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. We got Cuddy in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. We got Dave in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. We got Eric in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. We got Dean in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. We got Paul in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. DJ's in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. Geronimo's in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. LT's in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. Dog James in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. We got Larry in the house tonight. We gonna start this thing off right. Hey Alice, put me in the groove. Woo-wee. Yeah. We gonna take it back to 1982 train. Yo, You better be ready to go. When the horns blow, you gotta be ready to go, y'all. When the horns blow, you better be ready to go, baby. Hey, Bomb Squad, come on, blow on down, hey. Say what? Hey, I'm feeling in my bones. Hey, hey. I say, what now? Because the Bomb Squad getting it on. Hey, come on. Hey, get there. You got to get on down. You got to get it. All the turn the boogie down. Get the boogie down. Good God. And then you bag it. And then you bag it. And then you bag it on. Bag it on. Bag it on up and down. The boogie. Let's take to get on down. Say what now? Let's take the boogie. I say what now? Let's take the boogie. Hey, you got to bounce it up and down and twist it all around now. They came the boogie. Oh, they came to get on down. Say what I can see you get on down, y'all. Hey. Get down, 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 down. You wanna bag it? You wanna bag it? Got to bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, baby. Come on, come on. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Come on, y'all. Oh, get on down. Hey, you got to do it just one more time, y'all. Hey, just playing the boogie. Oh, just playing the boogie. Every night to see you get on down, get on down, get on down. Hey, get down, 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 down. You want to bag it, bag it, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, baby. Stretch it on out now. Stretch it on out. You can stretch it on out, y'all. Stretch it on out. You want to stretch it on out, Tanya. Stretch it on out. You can stretch it on out now. Stretch it on out. You can stretch it on out, Carmen. Stretch it on out. You want to stretch it on out, baby. Stretch it on out. Or you can stretch it on out now. Come on, y'all.
One more time.
About two more times.
Two more times.
About three more times.
Three more times.
About four more times.
Four more times.
We're gonna do it five more times.
Five more times.
About six more times.
Six more times.
About seven more times. Come on now. Hey! Can we do it again?
Do it again.
Can we do it again?
Do it again.
Can we do it again?
Do it again.
You wanna do it again, guys?
Do it again.
Well, just one more time.
One more time.
Or just two more times.
Two more times.
Or just three more times.
Three more
Come on, y'all. All right now. Say what? The jam